On the night of September 10, 2022, I noticed that Google users were looking to find out if a product called RestoFinisher was a scam or legitimate. This is what they were asking Google. According to the product label, RestoFinisher is a premium wood polish and restorer. According to what I could find, there are at least two different websites for RestoFinisher, RestoFinisher.com and buyRestoFinisher.com. Both of these websites showed what appeared to be reviews for the product from Facebook users. One thing I noticed after clicking a few of those accounts that left reviews was that some of those accounts were no longer available. Also, the website displayed different dates for the reviews depending upon what page you were looking at. For instance, one page said that the list of reviews were left in 2020, and another page that I found on one of the websites said that those same reviews from those same people with the same names were left in, the last 2 weeks here in 2022. That set off a little bit of a red flag in my head. Also, on both websites, it listed 3 different corporate offices and it had 3 mailing addresses. I looked those up in Google Street View. One of them appeared to be like a residential house. Another one appeared to be a mailbox store where you can purchase like a little mailbox for yourself, kind of like a P.O. box, except through a third party. And the third one looked to maybe be an office building, but I did find it a little bit strange that the first 2 were not corporate offices, but rather, a mailbox or a house. Also, the only Facebook page that I could find for this product, and, I looked around and tried different keywords, was one that had, a few hundred likes, and it showed page managers in the United States, Kenya, and the Philippines. And according to what I found, there were no new public posts that had been made over the last almost 2 years. The purpose of this video is to provide help to people who were looking up this product, just gathering information, and I hope that this video is helpful to you. Going here to Facebook, I found this when just doing a basic search on Facebook for RestoFinisher. Was looking for a review of this product and found one. Reminds me a lot of a time past when I edited material written by folks for whom English was not their first language. Example, RestoFinisher is functional creativity that keeps up the shine and polish of the wooden objects steady. A commenter down below this post says it sounded like it was put through a bad translator, maybe Google Translate tried to translate some other language. I'm not really sure. That was just one person's opinion. Going here to OnlineThreatAlerts.com, they did a page about this product as well. Is RestoFinisher a scam? Wood finish restorer reviews. And then scrolling down here, RestoFinisher is located at RestoFinisher.com, is untrustworthy. The wood finish restorer product you see on their ad is not what you get. That's what the website here says. The product you get just says wood finish restorer, no ingredient list, no UPC code, no manufacturer name, no address, no instructions on the bottle, just made in China. The paper insert states it needs 30 to 40 minutes of open air ventilation when using the product, but no way am I going to use a product that doesn't have an ingredient list on it. And if you want to read more of this article, just go to Google, type Online Threat Alerts RestoFinisher. It'll probably take you straight to this page. Finally, here on the US Better Business Bureau website, the BBB is what they're better known as. RestoFinisher has a score of 1 out of 5 for the customer review rating and an average of 3 customer reviews, so not that many reviews, but 1 out of 5 nevertheless. Scrolling down here, BBB rating and accreditation F. This business is not BBB accredited. There are also a number of reviews, not just 3 reviews here on the BBB website, and I think 14 of them I counted were 1-star reviews, big complaints, and only the remaining 2 reviews were positive. So I hope this information was helpful to you. There's a lot of information out there on this product online, and these are just some of the main websites that you can visit that give you a sense of the legitimacy of the product. Feel free to have discussions down below, ask questions, share your story. If you did buy the product RestoFinisher, let me know how it worked out. Let me know if you were satisfied, if you were dissatisfied. I do read my comments, so feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.